I know what this is.
There you go. How do you know what that is?
Because you give me the same thing every year. Jewelry. Good. Aww. I've seen this before. Thank you, Beverly Johnson / Derek.
Hey, I was just a helper.
That was really pretty. Did you get one too?
No, I was just on a mission. Santa had me out.
The sticker gave it away.
Well, I didn't really get it.
Yeah, he didn't really go to the parties. He didn't want to go to the parties.
It came pretty quick, didn't it?
Yeah.
She's down there playing with her glowworm.
Okay, ma'am. Hi there, Cheesy. Hi, the pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Her and Tinkerbell and the glowworm.
Do you want the TV on?